once again you all welcome back, and with hope children you all are fit and fine and healthy at home children. So children, this is my first video of this week, and in this video children, today I am going to make you revise the taught chapter. Yes, this chapter already taught you children, but at a glance I would like to tell you about this chapter. The chapter name is here forgiveness, and forgiveness, it means to not to see the mistake of others and to show love and kindness to one another. When you what forgive each other mistake, everyone will love everyone. You all will make the person happy and also loved and hopeful. Okay children, so you should always forgive each other mistake. And the name of the story is here children. What name of the story is here? Archana's doll. It means the doll of Archana. In this story it has talked about the Archana's doll. First of all, there in this story there were two friends and their name is Archana and Ruchi. They are very good friends. They always play together. One day Archana's mother brought a doll, and she doll for Archana. She feel very happy, so she wants to show her doll to her friend. So that's why she Archana went to Ruchi's house, and she shows her doll, and she was telling about that, what a you just Ruchi, you can see what a beautiful doll I have. I am calling it Pretty, and the doll name was the Pretty. And yeah, you do. And also she said, you don't have doll, such a beautiful doll. She does not it means Ruchi does not feel nice. So what happened? Ruchi suddenly snatched her doll. Yes, she snatched her doll and pulled out its leg and arms. Okay, so she now after Ruchi said, ha, your pretty doll is now ugly, but she should not do. But again she said, I will never talk you again. Yes, Archana said, you are a not good girl, you have broken my doll, so again I will not talk to you. I am not going to play with you. Okay, so again Archana picked up the pieces of her doll and went home crying. And Archana said on mother Ruchi's mother, I will never talk to Ruchi. She complained about the Ruchi. Why? Because she has broken her doll. But Archana's mother said, Archana, maybe Ruchi must be upset. She doesn't have a doll like yours, so don't think you should forgive her. So not need to think about any bad thing about her, you just forgive her. Okay, but again she said, no, I am not going to forgive her. But soon Archana started thinking about the Ruchi, and she was thinking, must be Ruchi sad, she doesn't have a doll like mine. If I wear, I too would be. Yes, she also think, if in the place of I would be feeling jealous, so I should forgive her. So in the morning she wants to go her house. She wants to go her house. So she said, she asked the permission to mother. She said, Mom, may I take my doll to Ruchi to play with her? Her mama said, yes, why? You can not only with doll, you just also take some cookies for her too. So Archana again she went to Ruchi's house, and she again said, Ruchi, today I come to play with you. So at last Ruchi also realized her mistake. So she said, Archana, I also want to say sorry. So at last they feel very happy, and they have started together and had cookies. So at last children, you all have understood also, we should always forgive each other's mistake. When we forgive, what happened? We make others happy, and also we show our love. So children, these are the explanation of this chapter. Now children, today you all will do the question answer, and that answer will be in one word. So let us start. Like first is here, answer in one word. And first question is here, who told Archana to forgive Ruchi? Yes, her mother. Archana's mother said to forgive Ruchi because she has not doll like yours. So don't think about her anything. So just forgive her mistake. Again she will not do. So one time you just forgive her. Okay, so who told Archana to forgive Ruchi? Forgive, it means pardon. Yes, mother told. So what will you say? Mother spelling M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Archana's mother said to forgive Ruchi. Now second is here, what did mother give Archana's for Ruchi? Yes, she first in the morning she realized, and then she said, asked to permission to her mama, and she said, Mama, I want to go her house. She said, yeah, you can go, but not only with doll, you will not play with doll, also take some cookies. So Archana's mother given some cookies to Archana for Ruchi. So here is asking the question, what did mother give Archana's for Ruchi? What will you say, children? Yes, cookies. Her mother give cookies. Spelling of cookies, COOKIES, cookies. Now after that, third number, how do we feel when we forgive others? Yes, children, when we forgive each other mistake, we feel very happy. So here is asking, how do we feel? We always feel happy when we forgive each other's mistake. So what will be the answer? Happy. Spelling of happy, HAPPY, happy. HAPPY, happy. Yes, we feel happy when we forgive each other mistakes. So now fourth number is here, what was the name of Archana's doll? Yes, Pretty. Why? She was very happy. Archana was very happy. She wants to show her doll. So she went to Ruchi's house, and then she said, its name is Pretty. Look at my doll. Its name is Pretty. So here is asking the question, what was the name of Archana's doll? What will you say? Pretty. Pretty was the name of Archana's doll. Spelling of Pretty, PRETY, Pretty, and it was very beautiful. Her doll was very beautiful. So here is what was the name of the Archana's doll. What will you say? Yes, Pretty. Okay, children. Now after that, who was sorry for breaking the doll? Yes, Ruchi. At last she realized her mistake, so she wants to sorry to what? No, Archana. So Ruchi wants to speak the sorry. So Ruchi is spelling RUCHI, Ruchi. So who was sorry for breaking the doll? Because Ruchi has broken the doll, so she will speak sorry. So Ruchi, RUCHI, Ruchi. So at last, so Archana said, not need to ask sorry, already I have forgiven you. Okay, so who was sorry for breaking the doll? What would you say? Ruchi was sorry for doll. So children, once again, these are the question answer of this chapter, children. Okay, question answer of this chapter 7. So with hope, and one more question here is also question, who snatched the doll? Yes, Ruchi snatched the doll. Why? Because Archana was telling, you don't have doll like my, so you just she does not feel nice, she feels very jealous, so suddenly she snatched her doll, and snatched it means to take something very quickly and away. Okay, so she has taken her doll very quickly, and she pulled out its leg and arms. Okay, so she broken it. So Archana had who snatched the doll? What will you say? Ruchi snatched the doll of Archana. So here is the spelling of Ruchi. Snatch, it means snatch, it means to take something very quickly. Okay, now after that, so children, so these are the question answer of this chapter. So at a glance, I will also make you one time revise, and with hope, children, and you all will listen very carefully. Like first question is here. Here is first question. Who told Archana to forgive Ruchi? Mother. What did mother give Archana for Ruchi? Cookies. How do we feel when we forgive others? Happy. What was the name of Archana's doll? Pretty. Who was sorry for breaking the doll? Ruchi. Who snatched the doll? Ruchi. And at last, children, now after, you all are going to read one quotation, and also you will read with spelling. Like first, like quotation is here, sufferings do not come to us by chance, they are sent by God. Sufferings do not come, SUFFERINGS. Suffering do not come. Spelling of come is here, COME. Sufferings do not come to us by chance. 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 Suffering do not come us by chance, they are sent by God. Yes, children. You also know, children, suffering, it means mental or physical pain, and you also know, children, God is our powerful protector. Everything is happened by the help of God. Okay, so any problem, it will be not come without any God of permission of God. So any suffering, it will not come by us, come by chance, it will sent by the God. So sufferings do not come to us by chance, they are sent by God. Okay children, so what will you do? You all will write this quotation and also learn with their spelling. Okay children, with their spelling you all will learn and answer in one word of chapter 7. So with hope children, you all have understood very nicely, and once again thank you for watching this video till in. So at last, thank you once again, and bye bye, have a good day.